gonna go down to the beach this afternoon and see what kind of surf we got running. Had a pretty good storm go through here last night, and it looks like it might be starting to pick up a little bit again. Maybe we can get some high surf pictures today. We'll give it a try. See you down here. Well, the ocean is a little bit angry today, but not anything like I thought it would be. Not really breaking over the jetty or anything like that yet. They were calling for yesterday 30-foot seas, and when they're that high, you couldn't be where we are now. It takes this whole parking area out. But she's nowhere near that. But she's rough enough where I wouldn't want to be out there. And from inside the truck, you can't really get a good picture of what's going on out there. The wind is blowing so hard that you wouldn't be able to hear anything. Let's go outside. Don't have a dog. She wants to go outside. I not a dog. Hey, you want to go outside? Huh? You want to go out there? Yeah. Go out there, huh? Yeah. Go out there. The guy walking down there holding his hat onto his head. He better. Even the birds are having a hard time staying in here. Yeah. Right there is where you come out in your boats, and you won't be seeing anyone coming out there today except for a few commercial crabbers that have to go out there. But Coast Guard's not out playing today. Sometimes they get out there and play today, and that's really interesting. I'd like to get some video of that when they're out there. Alright, I think we've done all we can do here. Nothing really that interesting to see. I don't have my radio on for music today because I wanted my adopted daughter in Germany to see this, and the radio music's on. YouTube slaps me with a copyright, and it won't show it in Germany. Show it here, but they won't show it in Germany. Okay, folks.